With social distancing now to keep the coronavirus from spreading further, more American consumers are turning to online delivery apps to get their food and household products. Yet, as VOA correspondent Mariama Diallo reports, not everyone can avoid going to stores. And if you must go, experts advise people to observe some basic precautions.
The coronavirus outbreak is boosting demand for home delivery of meals and groceries as more consumers avoid crowded restaurants and stores.
Fresh bananas, yams.
Sandy Nuremberg was dismayed after a recent trip to the supermarket.
It was a madhouse and it was crowds of people and everybody coughing.
So the mother of two decided to try something different. She's now ordering all her groceries on Instacart, an online delivery service.
Instacart has definitely become 100% of our grocery use now because it's available and I can. It's reducing, our exposure and our exposing other people because I have small kids.
From his home office, Professor John Swartzberg advises that everyone should restrict their contact with other people.
The less contact we have with other people, the less chance we're going to become infected. So going to the grocery store is a perfect opportunity to interact with lots of other people, particularly if the grocery store is crowded.
Over the past few days, Instacart and other retail stores have set records for daily app downloads, according to Apptopia, a data tracking service. But if you can't use the apps and must physically go to the stores, infectious diseases expert Jason Farley says try shopping at off-peak hours. Also,
when you grab a shopping cart, most stores are now putting some level of alcohol or Clorox wipe out front. Take the handles of your cart and clean it with that alcohol-based wipe. And then when you're done with that, use the alcohol-based Purell or some other form of alcohol-based gel to clean your hands.
What about gloves?
You wearing gloves in a store, okay, is as good as you touching something. You've then touched other things in your buggy. But when you get home, if you then touch that same metal can or same plastic bags or same activities, the virus is probably still there.
With the virus being spread from person-to-person contact through respiratory droplets, experts say the safest course while shopping is to avoid close contact with other shoppers.